explain to me what's
nice
going
to
on.
me? Oh my god, I can't wait. Ah.
That was a dumb idea. That's going to be battery on a law enforcement officer. Felony.
In South Florida, officers responded to a restaurant regarding an unwanted guest.
Hello. You alright? Sort of leaning with your head back. You have a little too much to drink? Did you have a little too much to drink tonight? You have an ID on you or anything like that? Okay, can I see it please? Okay. Hello.
You're very attractive, and I know you're on duty, but
Why, thank you. That's not your ID.
somehow get your
See
number.
that? Let me finish this stuff first. That's not your ID. Sorry. Hey, do you want to trespass or?
She's being polite. She's wanting to just walk out. I'm not gonna make a big deal of it.
All right.
But
Yes.
called my bluff and said I'm not moving at all.
Give me one sec. All right. I'm gonna go walk outside. You have to leave. Like now.
You think that makes it better for you?
He's telling you it's not an option.
Oh, I don't know. I get that.
It's not an option. We're not asking.
Yeah, no. I'm just so excited for the.
Alright? Okay. So, as he just told you, you have to leave. So either you get up and we walk with you and help you walk out, or we pick you up, make you leave, and then you gotta go to jail.
Oh, no. You're missing the part where, like,
I don't know.
everyone else protests.
What? Protest. Nobody wants you here. Listen, we're not going to make a big deal out of this. They don't want to make a big deal out of it. All you have to do is leave. Who did you come here with? Did you come by yourself or did you come with friends, boyfriend, something like that? Do you have any friends with you? Do you have any friends with you? Okay. So why don't we go outside? Where does she live at?
Police officer, really cute one.
You know where that's at? No.
Mom,
Huh?
they're mom.
Okay, well let's go outside. Why won't you get up?
Literally,
You want to go out the back? That make it easier for you?
no, it seems like
Huh? Huh?
anything you want to do.
Alright, let's just go walk out the front then.
I will not ever. I will never follow.
It's not an option.
I'm being nice to you and trying to
You're
explain to
being
you what's
nice
going
to
on.
me? Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh my god, I cannot wait to tell. Yeah. Can't wait to talk to
Correct.
No. Cannot. Yeah, good. Cannot wait to talk to friends of mine.
Who are your friends?
He's unlocking the back door for us, so.
Okay, we're gonna go at the back. That way you don't have to be embarrassed or anything like
As
that.
you should. Go ahead. Love you much. Bye.
We really.
You're coming with us though. You have to leave.
No.
Yes.
I'll come back in. Do you want lights on?
Do you want to just? Let's just move it.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the last time I'm asking you before we go. Okay. I also put you in handcuffs.
I don't give a shit about what you're
Okay.
talking
Well, I'm
about.
done with that game. You can get up.
Excuse me?
You're gonna go in handcuffs. Just put her in cuffs.
Excuse me, for what reason? Excuse me, for what reason? Excuse me, for what reason? No, for what reason? Please tell me, for what
You're being
reason?
placed. Turn her.
For what reason?
Stand up.
Don't do that.
That was a dumb idea.
Now you're definitely going to jail.
Stop moving your hand.
Yeah, I'm so fucking curious.
Well, you caused that.
No. I'm actually so fucking curious. And
I don't know what you're curious about. We literally gave you 100 chances.
You want to put it in there?
100 chances? Is that so, babe?
That's kind of hot. They just don't mention that.
178 still.
Oh my god, you told them I cannot wait.
We try to do it gently.
178 still.
You think this is gentle?
No.
Do you know who you're
120, 1092. Go ahead.
Do you know who you're talking to?
17912. Adult female 1015.
Travel 03.
You want to take her out the back way?
Dude, I don't fucking care. Whichever way is. Well, let's just go out this
Don't
way.
touch me. Don't touch me. You cannot go fucking touch me. Do not ever fucking touch me.
For no tag one.
Relax,
Control the airport.
Can you stop following us for like 5 seconds so we can do this?
Yeah,
26 Stewart, final location and
oh my goodness.
Do you have any weapons on you before you go to jail?
No. This is so
Tyson,
interesting.
point your camera there real quick.
Wow.
Point
Wait,
the camera
wait, wait. This is so interesting.
Get in the car.
No,
Get in
no,
the
no.
car.
Actually, this is incredibly interesting. No, are you? Are you? Kidding?
That's going to be battery on a law enforcement
Are
officer.
you
It's
fucking
felony.
kidding? Actually,
Jesus.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer without violence.